I'm Kiran Bhera Karpelman. I'm the Director of the United Nations Information Center for India and Bhutan here in New Delhi. It's been a really wonderful experience being part of this roundtable here in public service, Women in Public Service. And I would just like to take you down memory lane a little bit, my memory lane. I started a long time ago and I was also at LSR. And little did I know where I was going. The difference was that in those days we didn't have much of a choice. Now you all have a choice. We started in one path and we kept that path. Now you have great choices. Take your time and decide what it is that you want to do, thinking that you can change at a later date. I would just like an image for you, and the image is that very often you see all these women under the glass ceiling reaching out. Think of it as another thing. Supposing they're not reaching out, they're actually holding up that ceiling. And those men above that ceiling, if these women let go, what happens? They actually might just fall down. Think of it like that. So you are trying to break the glass ceiling, but not to really bring the men down, but you're reaching out to take your space there. So there is no rivalry, but you need to now reach those spaces. Now, why is it that women find that they are not working women? 20 years ago, when I was at the ILO, we coined a phrase, a slogan for the Beijing platform, and that was, all women are working women. And the reason why people say, do you work? Of course you work if you don't go outside. What's the difference? And it was brought out very well today that it's because there is no economic tag to the work you do. So the minute you're outside and you have an economic tag, you are a working woman. But no, believe that all women are working women. And we multitask. We're great at that. So just take all the advantages that you have, whether they're physical in the sense that you're able to multitask and you're able to grapple with different problems at the same time, whether it's home related or outside, and give yourself that chance. Aspire. And somebody said reach for the stars. But if you reach for the stars, don't think you're going to just fall on the trees. You will make it. And I would say, and the United Nations Secretary General Ban Ki-moon has said that, of course, we know that half the sky is held up by women. So 50% of the people on the continent are women. Take your choice, do what you can, and just move forward.